Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will explore slices in Go, how they differ from arrays, and how to create and manipulate them. So let's get started. Slices in Go are more powerful and flexible than arrays. Unlike arrays, slices can grow and shrink dynamically. Let's see how we can declare the slices. So here is the syntax that we use to declare the slices, which is basically slice name, then the data type with square brackets and the values that we want to initialize it with. In this case, this is an empty slice that we have initialized. We can also, so its length is 0, but we can also initialize it with some value, and in this case the length will be 3 and also the capacity of the slice will be 3. Next thing, in Go, there are several ways to create slices using this syntax. Then we can create slice from an array. Then we can create slice from the make function also, but we will see it on the next slides. So let's take a look at length and cap function. Length function return the length of slice and the number of element in the slice, where cap function return the capacity of the slice, the number of element that slice can grow and shrink to. So here is a empty slice that we have created and we are printing its length and capacity basically. uh, and here is the go slices and powerful. So what is the capacity? Capacity is not, don't consider is like kind of fixed, so we can't increase its capacity. Let's say capacity is 5, then we can only accommodate 5 element. It's just that in order to make the memory allocation, Go uses capacity so that it stores that variable at those memory location, and in this case if we exceed that capacity, then it stores it onto the next location. So it is basically the reservation that it is doing in the memory space. Next thing is create slice from array. So here is syntax where we can uh, declare slice with array with starting index and ending index. Here if you see, we have declared one array and then we have created a slice out of it by giving its indexes. In this example above, my slice is a slice with length 2. It is made from array1, which is an array of length 6. Slice start from the third element of the array, which has the value 12. Remember that the array index start from 0. That means that 0 is the first element and 1 is the second element. And the slice can grow to the end of array. This means that capacity of slice is 4. If the slice start from 0 element, then the slice capacity would be 6. So what I mean to say here is, as we are starting from index 2, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 as a capacity, but we are only going till the 4 index, so we have length as 2. So that is a thing. And the second element here is excluded, so basically we are just storing the 2 and 3, second index and third index, which is 12 and 13. Next, create slice with make function. Slice name, make, type, length, capacity. This is the syntax that we use to create slice with make function, where we give type, the length, and the capacity. If the capacity parameter is not defined, it will be equal to length initially. And here are some example where we have make integer type slices. It is generally preferred or said it is good to create slices with the make function. If we want to access the element of slice, it is similar to array. We just need to put the index in the square brackets. If we want to change the element in the slice, again it is similar to array. We just assign the new value to the index of an array. Next thing is, if appending to the slice will increase its length by more than double. So it is just basically a calculation about the capacity and length. If appending slice will increase its length by more than double, then new capacity is set to new length. Otherwise, double the capacity if the current length is less than 1024, otherwise by 25% if it is larger. Repeat this step until the capacity fits the desired length. So what we mean to say here is, let's say we have initially the length of array is 2 but the capacity is 4, so we can basically, until we fit in the 4 element, it will not increase its capacity. But let's say at the moment we want to accommodate the fifth element, it will increase its capacity either to double by checking if the total capacity is less than 1024, New capacity is basically less than 1024. In that case, it will double the length. Otherwise, it will increase the length by 25%. So that is the thing. Append one slice to another slice. Slice 3, here we have appending slice 1 and slice 3. The dot 3 dot after slice 2 is necessary when appending the element of one slice to another. And here is the code example of that appending slices, where we are putting my slices and printing its values and appending them. So we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 6. Change the length of slice. Unlike arrays, it is possible to change the length of slices. What we want to do is we have created an array, and then we have made a slice out of it, which is starting from index 1 to index 5, but excluding index 5, so till index 4 only. Then we have again assigned this slice with new by changing its length and reslicing it. And if we append these two, my slice, and we can also append slice with the normal elements also. So yeah, that's it. So basically we are not appending slice with slice, but with some other element that we want to put in the slice. So that's it for this video, guys. That's quick introduction to slices in Go. Unlike arrays, they provide dynamic resizing, flexible memory management. In our next video, we will explore Go maps for key value storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Go tutorial. Let me know in comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye.